Yo, what's up guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to create sand bases like the ones you see on the Games Workshop artwork for on the cover art on the websites. So basically going to look like this. Just pull that light over. So yeah, it's going to end up looking like that. So let's go through everything you'll need. So obviously creating sand bases, you're going to want sand. Just got some from Games Workshop there. You'll want some PVA glue. Paints I'll be using: mournefang brown, Balor brown, Ushabti bone, Steel Legion drab. I'm going to use some matte varnish as well. So first things you want to do, grab our model there. So first things you want to do, we're going to go and apply some PVA glue and then just go ahead and apply that to the base of the model. Just be careful around the feet, try not to get it on the feet there. So I'll go ahead and finish this and then we'll come back and do the next step. So once that's done, I just like to clean off any PVA glue. Yeah, once that's done, you're just going to take your sand. That's all you need to do now. Just go ahead, take Space Marine, whatever model you're using, dunk it in the sand, a good tap off. So once again, go around the edges, cleaning those edges up, nice and tidy. Can add other parts to this, you can add skulls and little rocks onto the base. I'm just going to go ahead, nice simple sand base for this one. So yeah, he's done. Just going to go ahead and let that dry. Once it's dry, we'll move on to the next step. So here we go with step 2. I like to seal the sand in on the base using a little bit of matte varnish. That's all I'll do with this. Go ahead, a couple of drops. Into a bottle cap. Just use a little airbrush thinner. Drops of that. Let's go ahead and mix that up with a brush. Then once that's done, just go ahead, dab it onto the base. Should just soak into the sand. All this does is just lock the sand down, so when we paint it, doesn't all come loose and undo everything we've done. So I'll go ahead and finish this, come back to step 3. So there you go, that's all coated. Just let that dry. I'm going to go ahead and base coat the sand using mournefang brown. I'm going to go ahead and get some of that on my palette, add a few drops of water, just go ahead and start base coating. I'll come back once that's done. So the next step, guys, is going to be dry brushing with Balor brown. So like usual, take most of the paint off the brush. Don't want any streaking. Just take your time, nice and lightly over the top. Just cover the whole top of the base, Balor brown. So once this is done, I'll come back and do the other side. So you can see this takes a little while to build up, but take your time, just keep going. I'm going to go ahead and finish this and come back once it's done and move on to the next step. So there you go, that's what it'll look like once that step's done. Just give them a little spin. So yeah, the next step will be dry brushing with Ushabti bone. And just nice and lightly dry brushing that on until you get a nice finish, just catching the top of the sand. Just want to leave those colours coming through underneath. So go ahead and do that over the whole base. Right, so there you go, that's the Ushabti bone. Let's bring that light down. So that'll be our final layer on there. Now next step, we just want to paint the rim of the base. So the colour we'll be using for this, Steel Legion drab. So what we're going to do now is just go around the rim of the base till we get a nice opaque finish. So I'll go ahead finish this off. This will take a few coats, 3 or 4 coats. And then we'll come back and just do finishing touches. So there we go guys, that's that step done. Steel Legion drab around the rim of the base. So yeah, just final touches I like to do. Add a little bit of static grass. So real simple, all you want to do is get yourself some PVA glue. Simply apply it to the base where you want to add your grass. Real simple stuff. So I just want some on the front here. And I'll probably go ahead and add a little bit on the back. Maybe on the side. Just a little on the back there. Then simply just get your grass. Just go ahead and add that to the miniature. And just tap it off. The trick to making it stand up, just blowing it. Yeah, just leave that to dry. And that'll be our base done. So there we go guys, it's all done. See, it looks very nice. So yeah, this is a really easy way to base an army. If you're if you're an army painter trying to get an army on the table ready to play, this is a real quick way of doing it. Gonna base a lot of miniatures, get them painted really fast. Great way to batch paint. And yeah, I conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, help the channel out. And hopefully see you in another video soon. So yeah, ciao.